Go to the Windows search bar and type View Advanced System Settings, then click it. So in the window that opens, go to the Advanced tab, just click Settings under the Performance. So then go to the Advanced tab again and click Change under Virtual Memory. So now uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. So select Custom Size. For the initial size, just input the recommended number shown. For example, 2865 MB. So now go back to the search bar and type System Information. Scroll down and look for Installed Physical Memory. So open your calculator and multiply your RAM by 1024. For example, if you have 16 GB, that's 16 times 1024, so it's equal to 16384. Then multiply it by 1.5, which gives 24576. And this is your maximum size MB. So enter that value and just click set, then OK, and you're done.